How to make Facebook new account in 2025. First, open up the Facebook app. Now here you need to simply tap on the create new account if you want to make a new for your usage. So you need to simply tap on create a new Facebook account, and now here the sign up page will be displayed. So once again you need to simply tap on create a new account. In order to create the new account, you need to simply first provide your basic information, first name and last. Then simply tap on the next. Now you need to simply provide your birthday. So date of birth I want to display here like this one randomly. This is not my real birthday, but I just want to show you the process. Now tap on next. Select your gender. Now in order to create a Facebook account, you need to simply verify a phone number or email address. So I want to just sign up with an email address. Now simply type your email address here. There is an existing account associated with this email, so I want to change the email address. Then you need to simply create a strong password for your Facebook account. Then tap on next. Then tap on agree terms and conditions. So it takes a little bit time to successfully set up your Facebook account. Now I have successfully created my Facebook account with the help of this process, and now you need to simply add a profile picture. So in this way you can easily make a new account on Facebook by using this method in 2025. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.